Total Station Survey Company in Marathahalli, Bangalore. I am thrilled to talk about SCON design and the incredible impact it has had on the field of surveying. With the help of advanced technology like Total Station Survey, SCON design has revolutionized the way we approach land surveying. By using a total station survey, SCON design can gather precise measurements and create detailed maps with ease. Incorporating SCON design into our surveying process has been a game changer. The increased accuracy of total station survey means that we can avoid common errors and discrepancies that could have been costly and time-consuming to fix. SCON design's approach also allows us to be more environmentally friendly by reducing the amount of waste and resources needed for traditional surveying methods. Overall, SCON design and total station survey have revolutionized the way we approach land surveying. I am excited to see how this technology will continue to evolve and shape the future of our field. Thanks for watching.